I thought this is a color from Dior, few summers ago. I think it was in 2000. Can it be 2012 already? That's a long time ago. I believe it was 2012. Yeah, so this kind of a really pretty summery color. Why not do eyeshadow like this and some brown together? I really like the brown and turquoise together. So maybe I will try something like that today. I think I will start with this Safari palette from Natasha Denona and use this color in the top here. Just a little bit on the primer. And I use the 24-hour from Smashbox again. It's kind of my go-to so far. Even if it does leave, you know, the veins like that, you can still see everything, but oh well. So you can still see all the veins and stuff. I don't know. Maybe I should swap it to something else, like that will cover a bit more. Yesterday I tried using the Lancome Visionaire concealer that's in the lid. I don't have the foundation anymore. I didn't like that one at all, so I got rid of it. But the concealer I still have, but I tried to use it like as a primer, and it felt like it was a bit strong on my eyes, so like my eyes started watering when I put it on, so that's not gonna happen again. I think I will go for something in this way and use also this one in the corner that has the same, this one here. I think I will go something like that today. Maybe the brown and this one together. Make it a bit lighter brown. Let's see. In the crease a bit. Still it's dark. Still it's dark. Is there any shedding? A bit more of the light one. Yeah, something like that kind of light color. Lighter color. A little bit more the light one, just to blend it out with. I think I will go over to this Ofra Francesca Tolo palette that I've done a video on this one too. It's not very known here on YouTube, but it's a really nice palette. And start with the shiny one maybe in the inner corner. If already I'm using this palette, why not? So I'm taking the middle color. So I wanted to use this color somehow here too. But I also wanted to use the matte one from here. So I will take a little bit of a smaller brush and go in with this one here. So it's a really pretty color like that. Two lipsticks that want to slide all over the place here. Like that. Maybe here in the outer corner. Pretty color. A little bit going with the brown, but not too much maybe. It's really getting stuck to this primer down here. Oh well, I kind of want it to get stuck, eh? So that's fine. Yeah. If you think I have a fluffy brush, maybe I will take the other brush again and just slightly go over the outside of it. So I think now it's time for this one here, which has some sheen in it, so it will be, you know, giving the other one a little bit more of a something. Maybe I should use another brush already and not this fluffy one. It's almost the same color, just the other one. This one has a sheen in it. So it's easier to use. And I want this one here then. Like that. And I'm trying for once not to use pink with greens, because I tend to go for pinks every time I use green colors. So this time I'm trying not to. Going in with this one again, because I just want to use this one a bit more here. In the crease, kind of. To see how it will go with this color that I, set down here. So I'm just making this corner a bit stronger with this color. And kind of pulling it in a bit. Again, I'm taking a little bit of the brown and a too big of a brush and going around that a bit too. And then again, this lightest color, same brush, so whatever I have from the brown can be on it. So why not the shimmery from this Tropic palette here? That one looks nice for this look, I think. I want to try that. So flat brush and this mint kind of green. Ooh. And now I should hold, you see, I get it in the, you see I have like places where I didn't do this, so I didn't get the color all over. Oh, that's nice. That's really pretty. Not like I really needed this golden in a corner, but I will leave it there. I really like this color together with this. And I'm just tapping it on the primer, so nothing special here, Going over it, the darker one a little bit. And up. My usual kind of way to go up like that in a shade like that. I really like that kind of, just making the glitter go a little bit all over. I don't even put anything else in there. I just go over it like this. Even if it wasn't filled up with color, you don't really see that. Maybe the camera sees it. So that's kind of cool, I think, because you don't really see it all the time. Now, yeah, but it's piled on there, so if I look down, you do see that I have a lot of shimmer going here. But yeah, I really like this. So I think since I opened this one, I'm gonna use this peachy pink from here. A little bit in the crease because I really like this color. And I think it might give something really nice over there. Let's see. And I'm going back to pink again. No, not completely, but a little bit pinker than what it is. Like peachy, less brown a bit maybe. Less brown on this brush. Let's take another brush. Like I'm starting it here maybe. And taking it out here too. Yeah, I think I like that better. Anyway, it's not pink, it's still a little bit peachy. I didn't find the brush I wanted to have, but I'm taking one of those pointier ones and this peachy pink again from this palette. I'm taking the brown one first a bit. Just to get it a bit darker, at least here. This brush is... Don't have better brush than this one now here. So scratchy. Maybe a little bit of a darker color. Yeah, maybe it's okay. This brown color under the eye only. And not this color here. Just the brown one and the peach. Maybe that will be okay. Then I'm going to take again this one here. Maybe blend those two together. That it won't be too light. And go in like that. It got a bit dark, but I think it's better like that. Is it? A bit more of the brown. I love this brown. Oh. This brown is so pretty though, this one here. Okay. Maybe a little bit of blending here now, because this got a little bit, and I think I have to add a bit of this one here, the green one. So I think I will take this one a bit and just fill the corner a tiny bit here. And I want to take a bit more of this matte one here too. Same brush, same side of the brush, everything same. To go over this one a bit and get a little bit darker here. So I will use this MAC Dip Down Gel Liner. Okay, so a brush from Ashley Waxman for this, and yeah, I will probably do this off camera because I'm so slow when I'm doing these kind of things. Plus, you know, oh, that's pretty though with the, so much prettier than always using a black. Not that black isn't good, but with these kind of colors, I really, really enjoy brown. Look at that. It just brings something else to it. And I will take it in here too, under a bit. Just a tiny bit. And, you know, nothing big in the outer corner. Because of all the extra skin over there, that just doesn't work. And I don't want it too full either. Just, you know the way I'm doing, just on the lashes where it's blonde, and then kind of a thin line. I really want to have something in the waterline, some kind of a beige or brown. I think I have to. Yeah, I probably have to. And then I will be back for the skin, do the brows and everything. I think I will use this Natasha Denona Duo Blush today. It's number 15. This really natural looking one. So I will use this one, and maybe a tiny bit of a more peachy one from Essence that I just put my eyes on. So I will start with this darker one, which is not that dark, but it's like a bit of a, yeah, I don't think I need the peachy one. This one is pretty much going to a tone like that, I think. Now, Natasha says in a lot of videos that she does with these, that this one is all for blending, all for mixing around it to soften the edges, you know. So I think I will do that. It's a really pretty, slight sheen to it, but very pretty. So I'm taking a lighter color as well, and just with the sheen that it has, I'm going around it like that. Kind of simple. Those are really nice. So this is Spice from MAC by itself, and I did use a lip balm under, and this one, by the way, it's pretty nice. Has some SPF in it. And okay, so on top of this Spice, I will use Mocha, also from MAC. Like that, it's pretty much the same color. Okay, so this version of the MAC lipsticks is a satin, the Mocha, and it's almost identical to the Spice lip liner. Now, I think the matte and the satin from MAC lipsticks, at least what I have, they're pretty similar. Maybe the satin one is a little bit more, has a little bit more slip to it, but not really. I don't think so. Anyways, they're both really nice. So, yeah, well, I had some fun playing with color again. I hope it will inspire you to do the same. And thanks again for watching. Yeah, that's gonna be it for the side, I suppose. Yeah, it's pretty much enough. So yeah, I think I need to go over a little tiny bit more here. I don't mind that the shimmer gets up a little bit higher, actually, because it's not a lot, you know, it's a few pieces here and there. Not a big deal, especially here on this hooded side, because most of the time you don't even see the lid itself. So again, I just played around with some color. I hope you do the same. And that you're using all your shimmers and sheen. I say it every time and I mean it every time. And yeah, because that's a lot of fun. And I don't think it matters how old you get. You still like those things. If you like them once, you probably always like them. I don't really want to stop, but I think I should stop putting more on my face for a while. If I put more shimmer on now on the cheeks, it will probably be like really gory and too much again. Since I have a lot on those eyes today. Yeah, I just really love those colors together, the brown and this deep, what you call it, bluish green. So, you know, this one looks more summery maybe, but I still think that those, like this kind of look is really summery. Anyways, use all your colors.